Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the whole process of installation for this nice shark fin antenna, a must-have accessory that you can buy from the site dacianmag.com. They deliver in all the European countries, and for those of you who are worried that the whole installation process might be complicated, let me show you what you have to do. First, you will need to take the back seat into the folding position, and you have to loosen this plastic part so you can take this part off. So this part is held in place by this one, and that one in the back, which has to be taken off, is held in place by this one. If we get this part off, this one will get rather easily. You have two bolts, one here and one over here, and you have some clips on this plastic part as well. Unfortunately, you will have to do it on this side too if you want to have some space under the felt roof. So the felt roof has to be taken off, or you can get it over this sealant. After you have done this, you have to take these black plastic parts off. You need to carefully do it because they are very, very thin and might break. Once you've done that, once you removed these parts, you have to take down the handles as well. Don't worry, this is the easiest process of all. And after the handles are taken off, you just have to take this felt over the sealant all the way up here. Then you will be able to lower the ceiling a little bit so you can work on replacing the antenna. This is how the old antenna looks like. The connection is the same with the shark fin antenna. All you have to do is connect it somewhere around here. As you can see in this video, you have the same colors for the connectors, and everything will work fine. You don't have to remove the battery. You don't need the code for the radio system. Everything can be done without interrupting the power on your car. Another advantage is that if you didn't do something right, you have access here to your antenna cables, and you can you can replace something over there without having to take down this side as well, this part again. After you taken this down, next step is to, as I said, lower the ceiling as much as you can without making some forms over there. In my case, we did have some forms created over there, but as you can see, now that the installation is complete, they are unnoticeable. So if you can work without lowering the ceiling too much, everything will be okay. You just have to take the cable, put it into the position that the original one was in, and everything will go all the way here. And after you connected the four cables, you're good to go. You can simply put everything back together. Firstly this part, then this part here, the handles, and the last part will be this one here. Yes, you have to take this one as well, and all the replacement process shouldn't take you more than 2 hours. That being said, if you have any questions or don't want to replace your radio antenna because it's a complicated process, rest assured everything is very easy. And this one will also come with GPS signal. The Here navigation app works like before, and I'm curious to see if in my mountain area we will have more radio channels than we did with this factory antenna. I will let you know in a short video I will make about this product as soon as we go in our country area and test it out. If you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. In the video description you have the link to the product, and also in the video description you have the PDF file which contains the installation instructions, so you don't have to search for it on the Renault Tech Accessories site. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.